Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mamta, e-learning intern of KBR and HL Human Development Foundation. In this video, I am going to demonstrate that how we can find open educational resources and how we can build attributions for those OERs. Okay, so first of all, for that we need to go to our Google Drive by clicking here, and then we need to make an new Google Docs by clicking on this plus button and clicking on Google Docs. Okay, then we'll be having a blank Google document. Now I have already been made a table in it so that we can add information of OERs here, and from that data or that information we will be creating attribution for those OERs in TASL format. TASL format means title, author, source and license. Okay, so first of all I will be searching for the text type of content, text. So we will go to Google and search for this keyword. Shapes and angle class 5, and then we need to filter the search because we need to find OERs which are licensed under Creative Commons. Okay, choose a license whichever you want and click on advanced search. So these results will be of OERs only. So let's just open this link. Yeah. Now I need to copy the title of the OER. This is the title. I will copy this in my Google Doc here. Now, who is the author? Here the author will be this Math Planet. Copy this, or either you can type Math Planet as it is. Math Planet. We can type here Math Planet. This is the organization under which this OER is present. Now we will copy the URL, that is source of this OER. Copy this here. Now under which license it is present? So for that we need to right click on this and open in a new tab. So this is the license CC BY NC/ND 4.0 version. We will copy this license here. Okay. Now for creating attribution we need an open attribution builder. For search for that in Google, open attribution builder. We will open this link, open Washington attribution builder. Click on open attribution builder button. Now we need to copy all these details there. Copy this title, then copy the URL. Here the URL. Paste it here. Author name is Math Planet, right? Now we'll choose the license. The license was CC BY NC/ND 4.0. Choose the license from here, CC BY NCND 4.0 version. Now this is the attribution. We need to copy this, and we will be pasting this attribution when we will embed this OER in our Moodle course. Okay. Now similarly, we will search on Google for the image by using this keyword angles class 5, because I want to have a image of class 5. Image class 5 angle. Again, we will filter the content. Choose the license, click on advanced search button. Click on the images button. So choose the image you want and click on that. Suppose this is the image I want, and then we will open this image in new tab. Now this is the image we will be using as an OER. Now copy the title of this image and paste here. Copy and paste here. Change the size of the font if you want. Yeah, now author of this is given here. Copy the author name. Now copy the URL from here. Now license. License will be given at the very bottom. Right click on it, open in a new tab to look for the license. This is again CC BY SA 3.0. Copy this license. Adjust the color and size. Now we will create the attribution for this. For that we need title first to copy here, and then need to copy the URL, and at the last we need to copy the author name. Now copy the author name. Choose the license CC BY SA 3.0 version. This is the attribution, copy it. Now for searching the videos, we need to go to the YouTube. Click here and select the YouTube button. Here search for the keyword, that is shapes, or we will search for angles. We will directly search for the angles. Okay, search for the angles. Now filter the results. For instance, I will be taking this video to demonstrate. Now copy the title of this video. Copy the title. Now we will copy the author name, which is here. Then copy the URL from here. Convert it into link by clicking on this button. Now the license. So now for license, we need to go to the descriptions and click on this license given here, which is CC BY NC. Here is the link given below. Click on this link to see the license, and here it is. Now copy this license and paste it here. Okay, now we need to build the attribution for this. Copy the title and paste it here. Now copy the URL of this video. Then author name, which is Useful Global Education. Copy this, paste it here, choose the license, and the license is CC BY NC. Check it again. CC BY NC 4.0 version, right? So CC BY NC 4.0 version. Now the attribution is ready. Copy this and paste it here. So friends, this is how we can find OER, text, image and videos, and how we can make the attributions in TASL manner, TASL format. Okay. So this is all for this video. We will meet in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And till then, bye bye. Thank you.